In this video, we are going to understand about mental health. This is the last topic of 5th chapter, and in this topic, we are going to understand the meaning and the nature and also how we can improve our mental health. So let us understand what is mental health. So mental health means a mentally sound or psychologically strong condition where there is absence of mental disorder. It was defined as the absence of physical illness. So when you are mentally sound or when your psychologically condition is strong, and when there is no mental disorder, that is there is absence of mental disorder, such condition is known as mentally sound condition. Okay, and in some definitions the absence of physical illness was also counted in mental health. So let us understand the definitions of mental health. Mental health means such a psychological condition in which there is satisfactory adjustment in his emotional and behavioral practices. So according to this definition, mental health means such psychological condition when an individual is able to adjust his emotional and behavioral practices and which are satisfactory. दैट इज़ अगर एक इंडिविजुअल अपनी इमोशनल और बिहेवियरल प्रैक्टिस को एडजस्ट कर पा रहा है उसकी कंडीशन के हिसाब से या उसकी सिचुएशन के हिसाब से और वो एडजस्टमेंट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री है तो उस साइकोलॉजिकल कंडीशन को हम मेंटल हेल्थ बोलते हैं. ओके, then we have the other definition as per positive psychology. It states that mental health is also related to an individual's capacity to enjoy life, ability to work and also be able to establish psychological stability. So according to positive psychology, mental health is related to individual's capacity. Over here they have defined the mental health based on individual's capacity and what are included, that is if he can enjoy the life, ability to work and also able to establish psychological stability. If an individual is capable to do all these three activities, then he is stated as mentally healthy individual. Okay, then according to WHO, mental health is complete state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. So according to WHO, mental health includes all, that is complete state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. So all the four are included according to WHO. Okay, then according to J.C. Coleman, mental health means development of healthy personality which will scientifically try to fight the onset of any kind of psychological or mental disorder. So according to J.C. Coleman, what does mental health means? It means development of healthy personality. That is the personality that is developed is healthy, and that healthy personality will scientifically try to fight the onset of any kind of psychological or mental disorder, and such healthy personality will try to fight the onset, that is the starting of any kind of psychological or mental disorder, and such state is known as mental health. Okay, then nature of mental health which is acceptable in one society may not be acceptable to another society. For example, softness of a male member in a society would be acceptable in some society, while in some society it wouldn't be acceptable. Okay, then mental health is very closely related to social practices and social values. Every society has got established norms, values, behavior patterns, culture practices, etc., which are to be practiced by people living in the society. So mental health is very closely related to social practices and social values. Now how? For example, if a society practices child marriages, then what happens is the girl child is married at an early age, so she will have to deal with the responsibilities of the household work, and also she will have to deal with the responsibility of a child at an early age. So you can imagine the mental state of a girl that is married at an early age and mental state of a girl which is independent and is not married at an early age. Okay, so because of this social practice and social values, the mental health is affected. Okay, then just as social situation and values changes, in the same way mental health also keeps on changing. So mental health also keeps on changing just like as the social values and social changes. It is also possible that in deciding the nature of mental health, the social ethics of the society also plays an important role. So in deciding the mental health, the social ethics of a society also plays an important role. For example, in the old version of DSM, there are certain characteristics which are included in the classification of psychological disorders, but some are not included in the latest version. So what is DSM? DSM stands for Diagnostic and Statistical Manual, which we'll understand in the next chapter. So it is stated that in the old version some of the characteristics were included, but in the latest version some are not. So based on that, the nature of mental health keeps on changing. Okay, so this were the meaning and the nature of mental health. Now let us see the ways in which we can improve our mental health. So there are several ways which are given over here. So we will see it one by one. So the first one is diet. So it is said that what you eat, that you belch, which means you think as per you eat. Why it is said so? Because if we take balanced diet, it will result into proper mineral, proteins or energy that our body requires, and because of that the risk of mental disorder reduces. Okay, so it is said that you think as per what you eat. So generally a person should consume less calories, fat and sugar, and he should include fresh and light and seasonal food in his diet, and also he should avoid junk or oil food or the packaged foods. Okay, why so? Because different chemical changes take place in our body because of diet. Sometimes are less chemical changes and sometimes there are more, but both the situation have negative effect on mental health. So if you would not take proper diet, if you will eat junk food, then the chemical changes that take place in your body because of that diet would be less or it would be more, and both the situation are negative for our mental health. Okay, so we should take balanced diet. Then the second way is by doing exercise. So what happens because of exercise? Our blood circulation increases in the body, and which results into more oxygen and blood to our brain, and because of this more oxygen and blood to the brain, it increases the capacity function of the brain. Okay, so because of exercise our capacity of brain increases, and so we should do exercise at least for 40 minutes per day to improve our mental health. Okay, then the next one is through yoga and meditation. So to maintain good mental health, India has given a gift of yoga and meditation to the world. So we know that in the 11th standard in the history we understood that Maharishi Patanjali gave the yoga and meditation to the world, and also on 21st June we celebrate World Yoga Day. Okay, so what happens with yoga and meditation? So yoga and meditation frees the mind and strain decreases, and it decreases the physical mental problem of an individual. And with regular practice of meditation, it leads to synchronization of brain waves and stable alpha brain rhythms. So because of meditation we are able to synchronize the brain waves, and also we can stabilize our alpha brain rhythm. And now what is alpha brain rhythm? Alpha is a state that is alpha is a resting state of our brain. Okay, so we stabilize our resting state of brain, that is alpha state, through meditation. And also because of yoga and meditation our perceptions become accurate, we learn fast, we have sharp memory, we have balanced emotions and more mature behavior. So to get all these benefits we should do yoga and meditation. Then we need to change our lifestyle to have balanced mental health, to have proper mental health. Okay, so we know that nowadays we are more into TV, internet, mobiles, and also we have a stressful lifestyle because of all this industrialization and urbanization, and it has effect negatively to our mental health, on our mental health. So to improve our physical mental health we need to change the lifestyle, we need to change have proper social relations. So we need to change our habits so as to improve our mental health. Okay, then relaxation activities. To have sound mental health we need to indulge into relaxation activities. That is because of a modern life an individual can continuously remain stressed, and it leads into negative effects. So what all negative effects are seen? Like there is malfunctioning body organs, hormones, or physiological system or the psychological system. So we need to indulge ourselves into relaxation activities, and one such relaxation activity is control over breathing. So by practicing it the different parts of the body, muscles, organs, thought, etc. feel relaxed and energetics. So control over breathing would result into control over body, muscles, organs and thoughts, etc. And it will in turn lead to sound mental health. Okay. Then the next one is positive orientation. So what do you mean by positive orientation? It means positive attitude even in the most difficult situation is perceived in a positive creative way and then behave accordingly. So positive orientation means in a difficult situation also you perceive it as in a positive way, and also you find out a creative way and behave accordingly. For example, people with positive attitude will look at half filled glass of water and say it is half full. So people who have positive orientation would take a difficult situation in a lighter way, and also they will find out the creative way to deal with it. So people who have positive orientation, such individuals are stress free, they can improve their physical and mental health. It decreases the depression, heart problems, increase in blood circulation, increases the immunity, and as a result he becomes capable of fighting challenging situation. So because of positive orientation all these changes takes place and the individual is able to fight the challenging situation. Okay. Then the next way to improve your mental health is through music. So music is said food for mind, and music can bring change in the brain waves and the cells. So listening to music can bring change in the brain waves, which also remains for a long period of time even after the music is stopped. Okay. And it helps in increasing our concentration and also activates our thinking. And the music also affects on our automatic nervous system. So for positive thinking, light music is always recommended. Then the last one is time management. We know that we have 24 hours in a day, and if we manage our time properly, it will reduce our stress, and because of that our mental health would be sound. So if you can manage your time properly, that is if you can distribute your time for work, food, rest, and so you will be able to reduce your stress, and if stress is reduced, then the negative effects of the stress would go away and your mental health would be sound. Okay. So this were the measures of the measures to improve mental health. Okay. So here we complete our chapter. If you have any doubt, you can comment on that particular video. Okay.